My name is Jack Whitaker, and for my mechatronics project, I did the CartCaddy Dispenser. Let's check it out. Before I show you the entire process, I will take some time to highlight the more specific user input. I will go ahead and turn on the on switch, and it says, insert golf balls, press A when done. So this is when you put the golf balls inside the PVC tube. Enter the golf balls. I'm going to put in 2 golf balls right now. And click A when done. So now there's balls loaded, there's 2. Now you wave your hand to dispense. Wave here. This is dispensing ball, and this is when the ball gets dispensed. And then it'll tell you that there's 1 ball remaining. And then in order to dispense another ball, you just wave your hand again. Dispensing ball. And then remaining 0. And then when you go to wave your hand again, it will say no balls left. Now let's pass it over to the golf course to see this CartCaddy Dispenser in action.
Go.
Awesome. Welcome to the golf course. I'm going to demonstrate my CartCaddy Dispenser project now. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on with the switch. And it says, insert golf balls. Press A when done. I'm going to put in 3 golf balls. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Click A when done. It says enter balls 1 through 12. I put in 3 balls. So I'm going to click 3. Click A. So it says balls loaded 3. Now it says wave hand to dispense. So I'm going to wave my hand and a ball comes out right here. And then it says balls remaining 2. Okay? And I need another golf ball. So I'm going to wave my hand again. Another golf ball comes out. I need 1 more golf ball though. So I'm going to wave my hand one more time. The last ball comes out. And then I try to wave my hand again. And it says no balls left because there's no balls in the tube. I will now explain the individual components of my project. To power the CartCaddy Dispenser, I purchased a rechargeable 12-volt battery pack. I used my breadboard and power converter to transfer the power to the system. Connected to the breadboard, I had my Arduino Uno controller. To the Arduino, I connected the keypad, LCD screen through the I2C converter, a high let-go VL53L0X time-of-flight distance measurement sensor, and an L298N motor driver H-bridge. For my actuator, I used a mini electric linear actuator connected to the Arduino through the motor driver. The motor driver was also connected to the breadboard powered by 12 volts. The tubing was made from PVC pipe and pipe fittings. I used bungee cords to connect the mechanism to the golf cart. Here's a closer look at the Arduino housing. I designed this using SolidWorks and then laser cut it using the laser cutters in the Maker Labs. I then used acrylic bonding to put it all together. As you can see here, I engraved the name of my project, CartCaddy Dispenser, and I included a slot for the LCD screen and a position for the keypad, and also a little hole with the time-of-flight motion sensor behind it. To connect it to the PVC pipe, I included these 2-inch U-bolts with holes in here to go inside. And then also I included 2 little holes, one for the on-off switch and one for the charging port for the battery inside. Thanks for watching.